I always see another white man. Man, that's fake white people, man. That's bull. The lady.
Did they threaten you at all? What did they do to you?
The lady kicked me out of the room for no reason. I'd rather die than go to jail. They came out and just shoot
You're
me
being
right
placed
here.
under arrest. Okay.
July 21st, 2023. A deputy responds after a victim's stolen wallet is used to charge $307 at a hotel the prior night. Hotel staff confirmed the woman tried 2 declined cards, then stole a room key from the front desk to occupy room 109 without paying.
All right, tell me what's going on.
So I lost my wallet 2 days ago at McDonald's, and then this morning, well, she took my ID, debit card, cashback card, my bank information, routing information, she has all of that. And then this morning when I woke up, I got a cash out notification saying $307 was spent here.
Okay.
I came here, told them about it. They said they had problems with her last night. And I guess she was the one who just used my card at the end of the day. I'm just trying to get all my stuff back.
I got you. So you lost it at McDonald's 2 days ago.
2 days ago. Someone.
Okay.
The next
Did you report it when you lost it?
Well, I turned my card off, and some dude on Facebook texted me the next morning saying that he found my wallet.
Okay.
So I got off work, he brought it to me at Walmart, and when I got it, I had everything missing out of it except for my social. Everything was in there. Everything was gone except for my social. My social was in there, but everything.
Okay, so when you lost it 2 days ago, you never reported it with the sheriff's office?
No, I didn't report it to the
Okay.
sheriff's office.
So then yesterday, some guy messaged you and said that he brought it to you at Walmart?
At Walmart.
Okay, and then you got it, and only your social was in
Like
there?
some other stupid cards in there.
Okay, so what all was missing?
Debit card, my Synovus debit card, my Cash App card,
Okay.
which she used last night, and then my ID, and then a couple of other cards that were in there. The main thing was ID, debit, and Cash App.
Okay.
And I don't know, she probably could take a picture of my social, but I don't know.
Okay, so what makes you believe that she was the one that got your cards and used it?
You can talk to me about that if you'd like.
Okay.
Last night we had some sketchy girl come in. She gave us 2 different credit cards. One is his that is swiped into my computer system. It said it declined on my end, so they didn't check her in. But she stole a key out of my key return box and ended up staying in there. She also stole 3 of my cups, which I didn't get back, and a bunch of postcards. And I have all this on camera.
Okay. So you don't know her.
I don't know.
You just got her name from.
I only know
The
from
only
her
reason I
here.
know that it was here is because I got a notification from my Cash App and it tells me what's spent at like each place.
Okay.
And it was $307.99, $11.50 last night.
Okay.
And that's the only reason why I knew to come up here.
And did you contact Cash App and?
Yeah, I contact Cash App. She said that because it said it's pending, so I should get that $307 back.
Okay. So you're not actually going to lose any money
No,
as long as they give you that back.
get that back. Yeah.
Okay.
But I already shut down my debit account and I already ordered a new Cash App card.
Okay.
Really, and if I can, I don't know if you guys would be able to get any of this back from her. Get my ID back.
What's that?
I'm in the kitchen if you need me.
Okay. Thank you.
But she has my ID.
Well, what makes you think she has?
My ID?
Yeah.
Well, she has my Cash App card.
Okay. So you just assume that she's got the rest of your cards too. Okay. Okay. I got you. The only way to find out is by finding her. I don't know where she's at right this moment.
Right.
So what we'll do is, did you cancel all those cards?
Yeah, I canceled. I have a new Cash App card coming through. And I have a new debit card coming through.
Okay. So other than your ID, so ID, Cash App, your bank, debit card, and that should be it, or is there more?
Those are like the main 3 things. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll give you a card with a case number on it, so that you can bring that to the DMV and tell them that, hey, I lost my wallet. I believe it was stolen. Here's the case number, and they should get you a new ID or a driver's license, whatever it is. Terrible. The debit card I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that. I mean, you already have another one coming in the mail, right?
Yeah, that's already closed.
Yeah, those I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get back for you.
Yeah, debit card.
Also,
yeah, it's gone.
so also because or if you get that reimbursement back, technically you're not out of any money. Okay?
Right. Yeah.
So
you can do.
well, I still may be able to. I got to talk with them and figure out. But she probably. I mean, obviously, she used your card without your knowledge and attempted to purchase the room. So she's definitely going to get something. So I'm not entirely sure yet. Let me get your card real quick so you can get out of here and do what you got to do. So just give me 1 sec, okay? And would you be willing to fill out just a quick statement, just a written statement of kind of what you told me verbally?
Yeah, like about the situation.
Yeah, exactly what you told me verbally.
Yeah.
Just write it down on a piece of paper. That's it.
Okay. What does that do with me?
So what that means is it's just a higher level of credibility because it's a sworn statement, right? So you told me a person, and now you're writing it down on a piece of paper, and you're swearing to the facts that you stated to me. Okay. So it's just a higher level of credibility. So, you know, if we wind up arresting her and she has to go to court, they say, hey, this dude swore to it that she did all the stuff. It's just a higher level of credibility.
Yeah, that's fine.
So 100%, you don't even know her or anything like that? Okay. So what exactly happened with her?
She came in to check in, get a room, whatever. Was talking to my night auditor. She was over there, and it was very strange. I guess she tried to run the card and it declined. Then she tried to run his card and it declined. And my night auditor didn't check the names, and she should have because we used that thing up there. But then I had this box.
So how do you know that it was his card?
Because it's got his name on it.
It's got his name and all his information on it. Okay.
So this was sitting up here with room keys in it. She then, you can see it on camera, pulls in here and pulls one of these out. And it's like that. It's got the room number on it. And she goes in the room. That's where we found her this morning, in the room.
What room was it?
109.
109? Mm-hmm. Okay.
I mean, I got it all on camera.
Do you want to pursue charges for theft of services since technically she's supposed to pay for that?
Wants to. I don't know if he thinks it's worth it, but I don't know. So
okay.
I can ask him.
Yeah, if you don't mind finding out for me, if you want to do that. If not...
Because I'm sure he is.
Yeah.
Do you want to pursue charges on our end? No? Yeah, they're here. He said no because you're going to get her credit card. He doesn't want to have to go to court.
Hey, I don't blame him. I just gotta make sure I find out.
Right, but if you need anything, I got her on camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna need all of that if you don't mind.
I do not mind.
Yeah, if you could just get the part where she attempted to utilize his card at this, and then if you can get me like maybe a paper document saying that his card was utilized at whatever time or whatever, information. I appreciate it.
Come back tomorrow. I will have all of that information for you on a flash
Sweet.
drive.
I can come back.
Yeah, I'll probably have it done by 2 o'clock. So
2 o'clock? Okay. Yeah, I'll come back and I'll pick it up whenever, and it's no rush. I know obviously you guys are busy, so just whenever you can. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you. What I would recommend is that you try and transfer that money into a different account or a different card or something, so there's no way she can use it. If you can't for whatever reason, then I would just keep it locked. And if you have any more purchases or her attempting to utilize it, then call us and let us know. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, bro. Good luck to you, all right?
Yeah.
Well, those look like her flip-flops. Those look like her flip-flops from last time.
got look out the window. They can see us. It's all good.
Hey, sir.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Hey, you remember me from the other day?
I do, yes, sir.
Is
Hey.
Jamie home by any chance?
You know what? I haven't seen her since early today, but she may be in her bedroom if you want me to check.
Yeah, if you don't mind, we just need to talk to her real quick.
Sure.
Thank you.
You guys want anything to drink or anything?
Oh, thank you, but we're okay.
Okay.
We're out. Yeah, one of those right here. No, sorry. I didn't mean to speak for you, but
You are plenty good. What's her name? The daughter? The granddaughter?
hello. How you doing?
She's coming down, I think.
Okay, thank you. Just need to talk to Jamie real
I want to
quick.
talk to Kaya.
Oh,
I don't know if she's been asleep or not, but I had to knock on the door. It was locked. And,
what did you wake her up?
yeah,
Did you get that $20 for fitness?
no, I haven't been able to go in there yet.
Okay, well, you need to do it.
Kaya.
Just tell her to come on. Y'all just talking to her, right?
Yeah, right now, yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
what'd she do?
We'll talk to her about it, and we'll let you guys know afterwards. We just
I'm
want to
up
talk to her first.
Okay, I'm at the pool with 2 grandkids, so I gotta get back up there.
Okay. I'll come and talk with you afterwards.
We'll come talk with you.
Are you fixing to arrest me?
We just got to talk to her
Yeah,
for
we
right
just
now.
gotta talk to her right now. Jamie, can you put just a top on? I got you, but can you just put
See anything. I mean, I will, but what's up?
just out of respect for you? Can you? I know. I just wanted to talk to you real quick. If,
Yeah, I told you to put clothes on. I told you.
thank you.
So, since you were here, I'll inform you as to what I'm trying to get accomplished here. I'm trying to be patient with this ordeal. I don't know what she's into now, but
We're gonna talk. We'll talk to her first, and then we'll
Yeah.
let you guys know exactly what's going on.
I told my wife I was going to give her 30 days to get into a program. If she doesn't get into a program, then I'm going to go do what you recommended and get the eviction done. If I can get her to sign a piece of paper stating that she no longer lives here, and she'll take her stuff, fine. Otherwise, I was going to go do that. But
Okay.
whatever you're doing,
We'll
it might preclude whatever I was planning. I don't know what's going on. But
it might. We'll talk about it after we talk to
I
her.
got you.
And then, sir, with all due respect to you and your property, but whenever she comes out, do you mind if we just talk to her alone real
I'll be
quick?
inside.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
Matter
that.
of fact, I'll just go up to my office.
Whatever's easier. We'll come. Like I said, we'll let you know after we're done talking with her what's going on.
Sure.
So.
Like, I'm above it.
Okay, I get dressed.
I have more power.
Button
than
yourself
them.
up, please.
Yeah, I am buttoned up. You don't button me up.
Okay, well, they want to talk to you alone. I'm going out to see my office.
Yeah, and then arrest me and harass me. Alright, I'm ready. I ain't even listen. Me on my porch in front of the neighbors and cameras.
You ready to die? Why would you say that?
Because y'all harass me all the time.
Listen, I'm just talking to you. Just
Man,
relax.
I always see another white man. Man, I face white people, man.
Jamie, listen. So what happened this morning at the Best Western?
Right. That's bull. The lady,
Did they threaten you at all? What did they do to you?
the lady kicked me out of the room for no reason. And I paid for it. I have this stupid confirmation number.
You paid for it?
Yes.
And they kicked you out for no reason? Okay. How did you...
How did I what?
Temple. I'm sorry. You mind just blowing the smoke in that direction? You can sit down. Just I don't want it blowing in my face, please. So, how did you pay for the room?
With a debit card.
Okay. Whose debit card was it?
Mine?
What, your debit card? Okay. Do you have like a bank statement or anything showing that you paid for it? Did you try and pay for it with anyone else's card? No. That's a confirmation number, but that doesn't say
That's
what
my
card you
receipt.
put in. That doesn't show what
the
you paid
lady
it
gave
for.
me the room, like she knew I was there. That don't even make sense. And then some lady that didn't even hardly work there shows up banging on the door at 7:30 a.m.
Okay. So what do you? Can you show me what card you paid with? Do you have the card with you?
I don't know if it's in here, but it might be upstairs.
There's a card, a black card on the bottom over there.
I used a different one.
Whose card is that?
That one's mine and my boyfriend's. We have the same card.
Okay. You mind if I see it?
Sure. He's the one that very first took me to my job at the strip club. You can call him and ask him.
Okay.
Him?
That's your boyfriend?
Well, he was. Not anymore, but we still talk to him.
What's his name?
Zach?
What's his last name?
McGo or something.
Okay. You know what his birthday is?
I forgot. We haven't talked in a little bit, but I mean, I still talk to his friend London Smith. They were in jail together and stuff.
Okay.
10-4. We're about to put it up here.
When did he give this card to you?
Not too long ago. He left it for me. I don't know if he's moving or something. He's going through a lot. He's just depressed, and he has done a lot for me, and is just been helping me because he knows, and I've been doing a lot.
Okay. So you say he gave it to you not too long ago. When was not too long ago? Like a couple days ago?
Days, yeah.
3 or 4 days ago?
Yeah.
Okay. How did he give it to you? Like,
Just handed it.
He just handed it to you? Where were you guys at when he handed it to you?
Near the Winn-Dixie parking lot.
Near the window seat. And Zachary gave you?
Yes.
Okay, and what did he
I
say?
have a Snapchat too.
Do you have any text or anything saying that he gave it to you?
No, we just Snapchat usually. Literally, I don't use that many phone calls. I get a lot of spam calls actually.
Okay, so he handed it to you in person,
Yes.
and what did he say when he gave it to you?
That he's like done doing drugs and that, and doesn't want to deal with like a lot of just street stuff that we were doing. Like not good stuff. So he's basically giving away his old and getting rid of it and starting over.
Okay, so he gave you the card, and did he tell you what you could do with it or couldn't do with
And
it?
he said I'm welcome to it because I'm the reason why they have so much money. Because I'm a stripper and I'm the reason why there's so many crooks out here, because they're coming to see me from Atlanta and California because I've been inviting them to my Matador Club. But every time I go, I'm not. Every time they come, I'm not there.
Okay. All right. Did you try and pay for the hotel room with this card yesterday? No.
I didn't pay for it with that. I paid for it with my.
With your
I
card?
have $30,000 checks sitting in the mail right now. I don't need anyone else.
Okay.
I will save that for them though. You never know though.
You 100% you didn't use this yesterday? Okay. And did he ever say you needed to return it to him at all?
I think he's
Can you
depressed.
please blow the
Sorry.
smoke in the
I
other
think
door?
He's just depressed and doesn't want nothing to do with nobody or anything anymore. I'm not lying. I would know because he's very suicidal.
Okay. So 3 or 4 days ago, you met him in the Winn-Dixie parking lot, and he gave this to you, and he said you can use it
Yes.
and do whatever you want with it? Okay. And how did you guys meet up? Like, were you guys hanging out, or you just met at the Winn-Dixie, or
I just
what?
met him there. We didn't smoke weed and smoke people.
Okay. And when you met him there, or what was the plan to meet up? Was it just to hang out, or go eat, or do what?
No, just to say hi.
Just to say hi?
Yep.
So you just met him to say hi, and how long did you guys spend together?
Probably like 13 to 15 minutes.
13 to 15? That's pretty accurate time frame. Okay. I think you may have his number. So just give me 1 sec. Palmer, you mind just hanging out?
Yeah. You say you think your phones are tapped? Why do you think that?
because they won't let us do certain things on there anymore. And
What, at the strip club?
yeah,
Why?
I don't know.
You think they'd be listening in or something?
Which I don't do anything that I shouldn't, but other people do, and I'm not trying to get them in trouble.
So they just kind of put an end to all of it at the club? They just put an end to all of it at the club?
Well, I've been there a few times, and there's been at least 4 or 5 girls that aren't there for some reason.
Do you know where they're at?
No,
They just disappeared?
yeah.
So Zach's not answering.
Probably dead or in jail. I'm telling you, I know what I'm talking about.
When's the last time you talked to him?
Like 3 or 4 days ago, like I said.
Okay.
I know how I can get in touch with him, but they don't really talk anymore because our weed plug, our main friend that I met when I first moved here, I've been getting weed from him since I moved here. Basically, I saw him a long time ago when I was in jail in Florida visiting people when I was like 15 or something. And then I met them again because they noticed me or something. And I've been hanging out with them since I moved here 3 years ago. And then recently, the London guy that me and Zach are friends with, that is our weed plug and stuff, he was trying to put me on these back pages and stuff. And I think he did that to his old girlfriend too, because she's already involved in that stuff. He told me. And other besides just dancing, so.
Gotcha.
And,
Did you get the weed that's in your bag? Did you get that from London too?
he gave me some, but I threw it away. 'Cause
Okay.
I think it was laced.
So who'd you get that weed from?
My doctor.
Your doctor? You have a medical marijuana card?
No, it ain't even strong. I don't even think it's that much fruit. But anyway, so,
So 3 or 4 days ago, Zach gave you this card in the Winn-Dixie parking lot and said you can use it however you want.
yeah, because I gave them so much money. I'm the reason why they're rich now.
Who's they?
I'm talking about London and Braylon and Zach, and then
Okay. Okay, well,
can you take me to work?
can't take you to work. Can't do that. But, are you almost done with that?
Right.
Huh? Okay. You keep blowing it in my face. Okay. So real quick, Jamie, can you stand up for me real quick?
For what? For nothing. Can you
Stand
tell
up
me
real quick.
first, and then I will.
Yeah.
I'm
Just
kind
stand
of
up.
paralyzed.
Okay.
If I get arrested, what would it be for? I didn't do nothing. They're the ones that kick me out after
Stand
I
up.
paid.
Stand up.
Man, what am I doing?
Stand up.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why? That don't make no sense.
Here, before you drop your phone, let me set your phone
That
down.
doesn't
for you.
make sense.
Let me set your
Alright,
phone
cool.
down so
That
it
doesn't
doesn't
even
break.
make sense, does it? What did I do?
He'll explain it to you as soon as you get in cuffs,
Y'all didn't
okay?
even read me my rights yet?
You
That's
don't-
bullshit, man.
You don't need them yet.
Yes, I do. You're supposed to do that before you even touch me. I know the law.
No.
There's people
That's not how
watching
that
on
works.
right now, too, on that camera, on my phone.
We
and
all
your
have
body
cameras.
camera.
Yes, we
But
do.
yours isn't even on.
Yes, it is. The red light.
You're being placed under arrest.
For what?
10-4.
I'd rather die than go to jail. Like,
Okay.
y'all just shoot
You're
me
being
right
placed under arrest. Okay. For fraudulently
Well,
using
he gave
his
it. I didn't
card
use
to
it.
try
Ask
and
the
purchase the
hotel.
room.
I did not do that.
I already talked to the hotel.
He gave
and
it
I
to
saw
me. He gave me
you
the permission.
hand the card to the
Yeah,
clerk
okay.
on the table.
Okay.
Along with stealing a bunch of stuff on the counter.
What? I didn't steal anything on the counter.
I saw you do it all.
Right, okay, whatever.
And then you stole cards, the room keys, out of that box, and that's how you got into the room.
Right,
Okay. So I saw all
Paid for- I
that.
have the confirmation number,
You
too.
didn't pay for.
I did.
Okay.
They wouldn't have
So,
sent the confirmation.
Do you want the
That's a whole
stuff to come
joke.
with you to jail or what?
Yeah, if they'll lock it up for me. Can you tell them I'm leaving at least?
We'll let everybody know.
Can you
Okay.
tell them before I leave? Just
Yes.
in case I get in a wreck and die. I hope
Yes.
I don't.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait.
Let's go. We'll get everything. We'll get everything.
Bond out.
We'll get everything.
I'm gonna bond. This is why I'm in the game.
We're gonna go to this first car on the passenger side.
That ain't even a real charge. I didn't even do that. I'll prove against you, man.
Okay.
You're racist, man. Hispanic.
Okay.
and racist of you.
I got you.
Can you
So
take these off?
Absolutely not.
Why? What am I gonna do? I need a felon. Can you tell them I'm leaving? Before I leave?
I will tell them. Just relax. Don't step in the car yet. Just stay right there. Don't. Did you spit in my car?
Sit right there, man.
All right. Stay right there.
I did.
Is that what you say every time you do something wrong? You call people racist?
You are racist.
Okay. Off
You really
of
are.
what? How am I racist?
You're Hispanic.
So that's not racist?
No, it's not. Because
Why
it's
is that?
America, man.
So what I did was racist, but what you just said wasn't racist?
No, it's not.
Okay. I think you're living in a fairy tale land.
You act like you are. You're arresting me for no good
Okay.
reason. You're gonna arrest me.
Go ahead, have a seat in there, please.
Why? Can you take these off, please?
Absolutely not. Go ahead, have a seat.
I mean, she is going to get a bond tonight, so she can potentially bond out.
We won't be doing it.
Yeah, so did you tell him?
I did.
Okay, cool.
Sure.
So she requested to take this stuff to jail with her?
Should I get
So
a bag, a Walmart bag or something?
No, we'll just take whatever all this stuff is and
As long as the prescriptions are in her name, because one of them fell, she quickly grabbed it through.
we're gonna go ahead and
She holds that bag like it's a baby. I mean, she carries that thing around with her
yeah.
religiously, and we don't really know all of what's there. So, and I don't really want to know. But
Gotcha. Yep, so she's
what about the shoes and
The shoes were there on
she
the
has her own shoes. I don't know what that
I'll put it in the
that's not a real tag.
actually.
But
Like something that was, I don't know where it came from, but
Who knows?
all right, do you have any other questions for us, sir?
no, sir, I appreciate it.
All right, no worries.
If she wants to, she can call you. But with her being an adult, she doesn't have to. You don't have to be notified or anything for her to figure out what she wants to do from here.
And it's not mandatory that we bail her out either, is it?
It's not mandatory. What?
It's not mandatory that we bail her out.
No, not at all.
No, absolutely not. Yeah,
Not at all.
absolutely not.
She's
an
a big
adult.
girl. She's made responsible decisions, irresponsible decisions.
Thank you, gentlemen. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Of course. Have a good day.
3 charges resulted: fraudulent card use, theft of services, theft of property. They carry different elements and different weights at sentencing. The card fraud turns on one question: was the use authorized? The card bore the victim's name. She claimed verbal permission from a man named Zach. No text record. Zach didn't answer when called. That defense collapses on contact with a competent cross-examination. The theft of services charge requires no inference. She obtained lodging after both cards declined by stealing a key. Camera caught all of it. On probable cause, Illinois versus Gates set the standard in 1983. Courts evaluate the totality of circumstances, not isolated facts. The deputy had a victim account hotel corroboration surveillance footage, and the victim's card in her possession. Probable cause was satisfied before any arrest. She produced a booking confirmation as proof of payment. A confirmation documents an attempt, not a completed transaction. The deputy recognized that. Now Miranda. She insisted rights must be read before physical contact. Widely believed. Legally wrong. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. The warning requirement attaches to custodial interrogation, not to the physical act of arrest. The Supreme Court confirmed in Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, that officers can arrest, handcuff, and transport without triggering Miranda, as long as they do not interrogate after. The deputy interviewed her before the arrest decision. Once she was handcuffed, he stopped. No violation. The moment people think triggers Miranda does not trigger Miranda. On the arrest itself, Graham versus Connor, 1989. Force is measured against what a reasonable officer would do at that moment, not after the fact. She resisted verbally, not physically. Verbal commands, standard handcuffing. Proportional. Nothing here raises a Graham issue. She alleged racial bias. The deputy identified as Hispanic. The arrest was built on physical evidence and 2 independent witnesses. Grades. The deputy earns a B+. He sequenced the investigation correctly. Victim interview, hotel corroboration, subject interview, That order protects each account from being shaped by the others. 3 independent evidence streams before 1 arrest. 1 witness account is a start. 3 is a case. 1 missed step. He never confirmed on camera whether the hotel's surveillance system retained footage beyond 24 hours. Time sensitive. Should have been asked. The hotel manager earns an A. Her account independently corroborated the victim on every key point. She acknowledged her night auditor's error, no deflection. She offered to produce surveillance and financial records before being formally asked. That cooperation built the prosecution's file. The suspect earns a C. She did not physically resist, and that matters. It kept this from becoming a use of force encounter. She then volunteered drug use, named associates by name, and described financial arrangements without once invoking her Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. The prosecution didn't need to investigate those disclosures. She provided them unprompted. The Fifth Amendment exists precisely for that situation. She was charged with fraudulent use of credit cards, sentenced to 180 days in jail. 3 takeaways. First, a confirmation number is not a receipt. It documents an attempt not cleared payment. Never offer it as evidence of purchase. Second, Miranda activates at custodial interrogation. An arrest without follow-up questioning does not require a Miranda warning. Third, the Fifth Amendment is not a guilty plea. It is a constitutional protection available to anyone regardless of guilt. Invoke it before, not after you've said the damaging part. For officers, sequence. Witnesses collect corroboration before the subject interview and ask about video retention before the footage overwrites. Verbal authorization claims, "He gave me the card, I can use it," only survive prosecution if the investigation built a documentary file around them. In a fraud case, the cardholder's word outweighs the possessor's word. Always. That asymmetry is baked into the statute. Every element of this case came down to documentation. Who had it? Who didn't? Paper beats memory in any courtroom. 3 charges, 3 evidence streams, 1 arrest, 1 conviction. The case resolved exactly as the evidence required. Knowing your rights matters. Knowing them accurately matters more. Misquoting the law in a confrontation does not protect you. It undermines you. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.